Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Rovigo. I'm Cristina, in charge of Rovigo CVB. Our office supports institutions, companies, associations, PCOs, event agencies, tour operators in organizing cultural, sports and business events, even unconventional meetings, and offers suggestions to travelers to spend an holiday here. Behind me you can see Le Due Torri, two towers of ancient castle, one on the main symbol of the city. This year is 1,100 years old. The celebrations start in the autumn and will last until next year.
Hi, I'm Michael, a museum guide. Palazzo Roverella, as you can see behind me. And it's temporary art exhibitions. Don't forget to visit the next one, dedicated to Marc Chagall, a very important artist. The exhibition will start and open its doors on September the 19th.
Hi everybody, I'm a tourist operator. With me you can visit the Chiostro degli Olivettani and the Grandi Fiumi Museum, but also the Venetian villas in the surroundings of Rovigo. Some of them are perfect locations for meetings, gala dinners and other very special events.
If you love theater, music, performing arts, remember that. From spring to autumn, Rovigo hosts cultural events and festivals. The ideal entertainment after a day of work.
Hi, I'm 19 years old and attend the Rovigo Music Conservatory, which welcomes 800 students from all over the world who love music.
Non abbiamo problemi nella testa, vogliamo fare cose dolci, come i tuoi sogni quando mi sogni.
Meeting Rovigo!
Meeting Green!
For many reasons in every season.